Hello everyone, before we started, let me introduce myself first. My name is Risma Fitrani, I'm from Esa Unggul University Campus Citraraya. Today I want to present about the impact of fatherlessness on children's mental health. Before we started, here's the list of content that we want to talk about. The first is understanding mental health and fatherlessness meaning. The second is what are the causes child being fatherlessness. The third is the impact of fatherlessness on child development. And the last is the right way to deal with fatherless children. The first is what is mental health? Mental health is health related to a person's emotional, psychiatric, and psychological conditions. According to World Health Organization, it is a state of well-being in which the individual realizes his or her abilities, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and can contribute to his or her community. It likewise determines how an individual handles stress, interpersonal relationship, and decision making. Next, what is fatherless? Fatherless is a term used to describe children who are raised without a father in their family. Next, what are the causes child being fatherless? Fatherless children may have a father, but due to some types of work, father have to leave the home for long periods of time. In addition, children can also be fatherless due to death, the father being physically or emotionally absent from the child care and upbringing, or the father never being present in the child's life at all. In some cases, biological fathers abandon, neglect, or disown their children, but sometimes patriarchy attitudes are also behind the occurrence of a child becoming fatherless. Sometimes fathers think that taking care of children is only a mother's job and think that providing them is enough. Next, the impact of fatherlessness on child development. The first is emotional disturbance. Fatherless children tend to experience emotional disturbance such as depression, anxiety, and difficulty in controlling their emotion. This condition occurs because of the feeling of loss, loneliness, and insecurity that children feel. Next is development of bad behavior. Children who do not have a father figure in their lives often experience problems in their behavioral development. They can become unruly, disobedient to rules, and tend to engage in self-defeating behaviors such as skipping school, drug, or alcohol abuse. The third is low levels of self-confidence. Children who grow up without a father will feel disrespected by others. Next, difficulties in social relationship. Children who do not have a father figure tend to have difficulty in building social relationship with others. They may not feel trusted or find it difficult to show concern for others. This can lead to difficulties in relationship with peers or future partners. Next is the right way to deal with fatherless children. The first is help the child understand the situation. The second is provide emotional support. The third is being positive role model. The last is seek help for experts such as psychologists. According to Ike Anggraika, a psychologist and lecturer at the Lifespan Development Laboratory, Faculty of Psychology, University of Indonesia, Ike emphasized that to minimize the impact of living without a father, other adults in the child environment can make several interventions. Consistent emotional support and a safe and supportive environment are key to helping children cope with the impact of fatherlessness. As a child who grew up with a lack of fatherly affection, it made me have a close personality. It made me have an introvert personality, even to my own parents. Giving full affection to children is not only a mother's duty but also father's duty. Growing and developing with the love of both parents will be very good for the child's mental health. Early approach to children is very good for the growth process because time cannot be repeated. So love and pay attention to the growth and development of children from a young age. Okay, that's all for my presentation today. Thank you everyone. See you and bye bye.